going to show you how to import a blank Karel template into Eclipse. This process is exactly the same as importing a blank ACM template. Click on the blank Karel template link in your sidebar and you'll be given the opportunity to download the file right here. I've already downloaded it, so we'll just go to my downloads folder, which is in my house, downloads, and it's right here. In this instance, I'm going to ask you to double click it and unzip it right in your downloads folder, because what happens is through the process of importing it into Eclipse, it's going to automatically copy into your workspace folder, which is in Documents and Workspace. Alright, so once you have the blank Karel unpacked and in your downloads folder, just head over to Eclipse, and I've already got it in here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it just so we can do it again. Alright, so you're going to find this little blue button here, and if you hover your mouse over it, what it says is Import Project. Click on that to import a project and browse to your downloads folder, Teacher, Downloads, blank Karel, click Open. Make sure that the copy projects into workspace is checked, otherwise it won't copy the project into that workspace folder. Just click Finish. And here you go, you've got a little blank Karel project right in there. Now unfold all these little arrows here and get to the blank Karel.java file and double click on that to open it. Sometimes, I don't know why this happens, but occasionally instead of saying import Stanford.Karel, it'll say import Stanford.acm. I know that sounds really weird, but I've seen it happen. I don't know why that is, whether that's something on my end or what. Just make sure that your import statement says import Stanford.Karel. You should be good to go. And let's just put a couple of basic Karel commands in here. I'm just going to say move and move. Oh, and maybe a turn right. There's another Karel command that comes out of the box with us, right? Oh, no, wait, I'm sorry. Turn left. That's right. Karel is a Democrat. Okay, so let's save this. And remember, when you're going to run a program, if you choose the little guy with all the little, like, smoke around him, that's what that's supposed to be, you're going to run the last class you compiled. In this case, we're going to click this guy, the one right next to the yellow upload button, because we haven't actually run this particular class yet, so we're going to need to actually search for it in order to be able to run it. So we're just searching through the main methods, and I've got quite a number over there, so it's taking it a little while. Now what the heck is this called? Blank Karel. Okay, so you can actually type this up in here. Click on that. And it's going to take a moment here. So we have a lot of things running on this computer right now. Okay, things are starting to cook right here. And if you look up here and it says blank Karel, you know you're running the right thing. And if you look down here, you get a little jar file. Okay, so if you get a successful Karel program, you should get something that looks like this. And I click Start, and he moves and he turns left. Not tremendously exciting, but we know it's working.